Good morning ka-friendship! Today's video ay magluluto tayo ng adobong kangkong or yung tinatawag nila na water spinach. Okay, so sit back and relax and please watch this video until the end. Okay, here are the ingredients. We have here 1 bundle of kangkong or water spinach. We have here 5 cloves garlic, 1 piece onion chopped, 1 piece tomato chopped, 2 pieces calamansi, 1 tablespoon of shrimp paste. Gagamit din tayo ng 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And also we will be using 1 tablespoon of Knorr liquid seasoning. 30 grams of oyster sauce. Gagamitin tayo ng salt and pepper. And also, we will be using cooking oil. Okay? So, ka-friendship, let's do the rock and roll. Okay, ka-friendship, mainit na yung pan natin. So, maglalagay na tayo ng cooking oil. So, igigisa lang natin yung ating bawang, garlic. And then yung onion. Saka yung ating tomato. Natin ilagdag ang ating kangkong o water spinach. Ayan, halo-halo lang natin. Idagdag na rin natin ang ating shrimp paste. Ayan, isusutay lang natin siya na mabuti ka-friendship para na mag-spread yung lasa. Yung lasa ng shrimp paste natin. Pwede na natin siya dagdagan ng konting tubig at pakuluan yung ating kangkong hanggang lumambot. Kundi lang kasensya. So, hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan. Bago yan, magdadagdag muna tayo ng konting salt and pepper. Isisimmer lang natin muna siya ka-friendship hanggang maluto yung kangkong natin. Ayan ka-friendship, malambot na yung ating kangkong. So, what we're going to do next is magdagdag tayo ng vinegar. Kunti lang ka-friendship. magdagdag na rin tayo ng Knorr liquid seasoning. Saka yung ating oyster sauce. Siyang sabaw ka friendship kasi gusto ng mga anak ko ay mayroong sabaw kapag ganitong mga adobo. So, tikman natin kung okay na yung lasa niya. Dagdagan natin ng konting asin ka friendship. Salt to taste. And then, the last but not the least, ay yung calamansi. Naglalagay ako ng calamansi ka-friendship sa mga niluluto o to enhance the flavor of the food. So, try nyo. Subukan nyo to ka-friendship. So, ayan. Luto na yung ating adobong kangkong or water spinach. Okay, ito na po yung ating finished product. Ang ating adobong kangkong or water spinach. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang video ito ka-friendship, and kindly hit that like and share button, and also to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. Okay, so that's all for today. Once again, this is Nato Mira at your service. Always remember that hardships often prepare ordinary people for an extraordinary destiny. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye.